Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths is Easy Mathematically Proven. Today I am going to explain solving more complex quadratic equations. See here, find the real values of x that satisfy the following equations. Okay, so first we have to convert into quadratic equation. Here it is given that x to the power of 8 and the degree is 8. So you make it reducible functions like you should make it quadratic equation, then you simplify. Then you can find the values of x over here. Okay, now say here x to the power of 8 and minus 15x power 4 minus 16 is 0. So what I am doing over here to make it quadratic equation, let us assume that x to the power of 4 is equals to some k you take. So it will be x to the power of 8 is nothing but k square. 15k minus 16 is 0. Now it is in the form of quadratic equation. Now we can simplify very easily. So minus 16 is there. You split into factorization like minus 16. Sum should be minus 15 and product should be minus 16. So minus 16 times 1 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 1 is minus 15. So it will be k minus 16 and k plus 1 is equals to 0. Now say here k is equals to 16 and k is equals to minus 1. So now here they said only real values. Okay. So k is, what is k value, or x to the power of 4, which is equals to 16. Here x to the power of 4 is equals to minus 1. So if I'm doing any number whole to the power of 4 means you will be getting positive number. So but here it is negative number. So this is not real number. You will be getting here imaginary numbers. But they asked only real values. So you can consider only x to the power of 4 is 16. So x to the power of 4 16 means 2 to the power of 4 I am writing. So x is equals to 2. Even you can write plus or minus 2. Why? Because even minus 2 whole to the power of 4 also, if I am taking x to the power of 4 is equals to minus 2 whole to the power of 4, it's nothing but if it is positive only. So x is equals to minus 2. Here x is equals to plus 2. So therefore the solutions will be x is equals to plus or minus 2. Okay. Now see here one more problem. Here also root x is there, but it is not in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, so now you have to convert. So what I'm doing over here, let us assume that root x is k you take. Same procedure. So 3k plus 5 by k, which is equals to 16. Okay, take LCM k, 3k square plus 5, which is equals to 16. 3k square plus 5 minus 16k is equals to 0. Write down in proper order. 3k square minus 16k plus 5. So here what it is? 5 into 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So when you split into two factors, should be 16 minus 16. So minus 15 minus 1. If I take minus 15 minus 1, it will be minus 16. So 3k square minus 15k minus k plus 5 is equals to 0. If I am taking 3k common, k minus 5. If I am taking minus 1 common, k minus 5, which is 0. Next, here 3k minus 1 and k minus 5, which is 0. So k value will be 1 by 3 or k is 5. But k, what is the k value over here? Root x. So root x is equals to 1 by 3 root x is equals to 5. So squaring on both the side 1 by 9, and here it will be x is equals to 25. So this is how we have to simplify the problem. Okay, it is all reducible functions. So you should convert into quadratic expression, then you have to solve the equation. Okay, let us see some another question. Okay, here is given that the graph shows y is equals to a into 2 to the power of 2x plus b into 2 to the power of x plus c. The graph crosses the axis at the points 2, 0, 4, 0 and 0, 90. Find the value of a, the value of b and the value of c. So this is very simple over here. Already has given that the where it is intersecting. This is 0, 90 and this is 2, 0 and this is 4, 0. So you have to substitute over here. You will be getting the values. Okay, and here put first I am substituting this 0, 90. So 0, 90 if I substitute in this equation, y is equals to a 2 to the power of 0 plus b 2 to the power of 0 plus c. So y is equals anything power 0 is 1. Okay, a plus b plus c is equals to what is the y value over here? Y value also substitute over here 90. Okay, let us assume this will be equation 1. Now substitute another point 2, 0. So this is x, this is y. Y is 0, a into 2 to the power of 2 times 2, 4. 2 to the power of 4 plus b, 2 square is 2 square plus c. So 0 is equals to 16a plus 4b plus c. Let us assume this is 2. In the same way, you substitute another point 4, 0. So 0 is equals to a 2 to the power of 4 times 2, 8 plus b 2 times 4 plus c, which is equals to, so 2 to the power of 8 is nothing but what it is 16, 16 is 256, 256a plus 16b plus c. Okay, let us assume this is third equation. So you have to solve these simultaneous equations. You will be getting ABC values. First, I am eliminating C from all the equations. From 1 into A plus B plus C is equals to 90. 16A plus 4B plus C is equals to 0. Subtract. If I am subtracting, plus C minus C gets cancelled. So what you will be getting over here? Minus 50A minus 3B, which is 90. Okay. Now, so if I am taking minus 3 common, 3 times 5, 3 times 1 minus 3, 30. So let us assume this is the fourth equation. Now, what I am doing over here, another equation I am taking 2 and 3. 2 and 3 if I solve, what will be getting over here? 256a plus 16b plus c is 0. And here 16a plus 4b plus c is 0. Now you subtract minus c gets cancelled. 256 minus 16 will be what it is over here? 240 plus 16 minus 4 is 12 b, which is 0. Okay, if I am taking 240a is equals to minus 12 b. 12 times 1, 12 times 20. So b is equals to minus 20a. This b value substitute in this, you will be getting A value. Now substitute in this 5a plus b is equals to what it is, minus 28, which is minus 30. So 5 minus 20 is minus 15, which is minus 30. A will be 2. And b value, what will you get over here? Minus 20 times 2. B value will be minus 40. Okay, now A value you find out. A plus B plus C is equals to 90 is given equation 1. So substitute in this. A plus B plus C is 90. A is equals to 2. B is minus 40. C, which is 90, means C value will be 90. This is minus 38. If you send that side, plus 38. So C value will be 128. So we got the values of A, B, C. I hope you have understood my expression clearly. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.